Holy shit, guys. I went outside and looked at that tree over there because there's a bird's nest there. And holy fuck. Oh, goddamn. But, so, I'm going over to this tree. It has a bird's nest in it to look to see if there's any birds have laid their eggs. Oh god, no. That moth's dead. Probably. Get that. But, so, I hear this noise. It came from the tree. I guess it flew out of the tree. It was in the tree when yeah, it's dead. No, it moved! Come here. Come here, you little shit. Anyway. Huh. Just kidding. As soon as I threw it, it flew away. Anyway. I have no pants on right now. Anyway. So, let's see this. Oh god, there's a fucking wasp there. Right there. Fuck. Okay, it flew away. I'm getting sidetracked here. Anyway, so there's a beach towel right here. I have it here. It's what I used. I was afraid of these things last year when it came over to that tiki torch. We moved them around. It was like right next to the hot tub. Yeah, it was a pink one. What? Well, it seemed like it was over. No, it might have been the blue one. Yeah, I think. The fuck? There was a hot pink one, not the. Oh, the fuck? Anyway, it came on a tiki torch. No, it was a cicada bug. Cicada bug. And it was flying over that fence. Came over the side of my house and hit that little thing above the. I have the finger right on it. Above the window. It's on top of, kind of like part of the roof. It's part of the roof, really. And then it landed on this tiki torch. Well, last year I was afraid of these things. Like, I wanted to pick one up so damn bad, but I didn't know if it was gonna bite, if like something like that. If it could wriggle free. Anyway, I think it's still in the tree now, because it flew back to the tree after I tried to pick it up. But a few months ago I went on vacation. No, just about a month ago. A month ago I went on a vacation to Georgia. And we were staying in a hotel near Tybee Beach. And there was a cicada bug, but it was a green one. So, and my stepmother picked it up without a freaking care. It was like right by our door, like it has one of these things, and it was like right latched onto here. But anyway, so I thought they were safe. Well, they probably are. They just, God, oh God. Anyway, I picked this thing up with the towel in my hand because I picked that up after moving in the swimming suit, and I pick it up and try to pick it up. I'm grabbing it. I grab it, and it makes the loudest god awful noise I have ever heard in my entire life. It scared the living shit out of me. So, I don't know if I should, fuck. Right. Damn. So, it might still be in the tree, but I don't see it. Is it on the fence or some shit? What the heck is it? No? I'm gonna whack the tree with this towel or something. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, it's in there. It's in there. You heard that. I'm in a neighborhood. Everybody can probably hear me. I made the most god-awful noise I have ever fucking heard. Oh my god. Oh, stepped on dry dirt again. It scared the living fucking shit out of me. It was so